It's Boxycharm by Ipsy time, so if you want to see what's in my daughter's box, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracey. Chloe Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. We hope you decide to stay. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is my daughter's Boxycharm by Ipsy. This month I'm getting an icon and she's getting the Boxycharm by Ipsy, so I didn't think it was fair to do a side-by-side comparison. And she's awfully busy with school and such, so I thought I'd just go ahead and open this up and then I can surprise her with some of the items inside for Valentine's Day. Now, I did try to go online to get all the information about the products. I like to do that. However, it was unreachable, and I do want to get this open so that I can package things up for her for Valentine's Day. So the theme this month is It's a Self-Love Affair. And, oops, there is your sneak peek. So right on top is their Burn For You perfume. This has Atlas Cedarwood, Madagascar Vanilla, Clove Leaf, Cashmere Musk, and Amber. I have a lot of different perfumes on right now from other videos, so I don't know how well this is going to go, but I think I have almost the full collection of this perfume brand. So this is clean and vegan. It is female founded, cruelty free, eco-conscious, and purpose-driven. That's an interesting scent. I thought it was going to smell very strong of cedarwood. It does not. It's definitely a more woodsy type scent, but I do like it, and I'm excited to have yet another scent from this brand. Next, by Malin and Getz, is the Recovery Treatment Oil. And this is a facial oil. Let's see what it says on the box. It is formulated with a blend of 9 antioxidant-rich oils that nourish and hydrate and help address the appearance of fine line and wrinkles. And so probably not good for young people's skin, or not necessary, I would say, for young people's skin. And this has, let's see, squalane, Argania spinosa kernel oil, Borrego officinus seed oil, Camilla oleifera seed oil, evening primrose oil, avocado oil, rose canina fruit oil, jojoba seed oil, grapeseed oil, lavender oil, orange peel extract, soybean oil, lime peel extract, geranium extract, lavender flower stem extract, spearmint extract, grapefruit extract, rose extract. Yeah, okay, I'm in. I don't know if the kid will be, but I'm in. There we go. Oh, it does have all those scents in it too. Oh, yummy. Let's slather that all over my face tonight. By Context, we have, maybe it's a mascara, I'm not sure. No, a lippy. Oh, that's pretty. She's going to like that. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm going to give it to her. But this is the Say Love Lippy. I think I chose this for her. And I think I chose the 5 cents for her. I think the Malin and Getz they chose. We have by Lovecraft Beauty, their Liquid Cosmic Blush. I think I chose this. All right, so there you go. It's a nice light pink. I'm going to give that to her, so I'm not going to swatch it. And by Ace Beauté, their Mystic Romance Palette. Let's take a look and see if it looks like all the other Ace Beauté palettes. Oh no, she's gonna love this. Oh my goodness, I wish I could swatch this for you, but I'm gonna give this to her. But look at those colors, and she is gonna love this. And with her brown eyes, that's gonna be beautiful. Beautiful. All right, so that is my daughter's Boxycharm by Ipsy box. Unfortunately, I don't have the information offhand. I will look it up for you. You will have already seen it. But I think overall it's a pretty good box. So coming soon will be my icon box, so I'll get that up as soon as I get it. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.